DirectMed Imaging is the premier destination for diagnostic medical imaging parts and equipment. With multiple locations in the U.S. and abroad, we ensure medical facilities have access to best-in-class equipment and expertise. We are the world's leading resource for aftermarket diagnostic imaging parts, systems, and support.
We support all major manufacturers, offering high-quality replacement parts around the clock. Our facilities around the globe cover multiple modalities with over 100,000 parts in stock for GE, Siemens, Hitachi, Toshiba, Canon, and Philips systems. Enjoy savings of 40 to 80% off OEM prices with prompt delivery and industry-leading warranty.
For over 20 years, DirectMed has delivered exceptional pre-owned systems, offering CT, MRI, ultrasound, mammography machines, and more. We ship to over 100 countries annually and provide comprehensive services for buying, selling, installing, and deinstalling complete imaging systems, along with ongoing support for replacement parts and MRI coils. Account managers provide support in more than 22 languages, including English, Spanish, French, German, and Arabic. This allows us to connect with clients in their native language, ensuring smooth communication and strengthening our client relationships worldwide.
Our Siemens imaging training courses enhance skills across 5 modalities, including MRI, CT, Angio, Rad Fluoro, and Nuke Med. Earn AAMI certified CEUs through 35+ courses offered virtually, in person, or hybrid formats. Our Appleton, Wisconsin facility features 18 training bays and over 28 Siemens machines for immersive, hands-on learning.
With thousands of MRI coils in our inventory, we are the world's first choice for replacement coils. DirectMed offers coil replacements across all leading manufacturers. Our engineers specialize in electrical, mechanical, and cosmetic repairs, while also providing phone support and troubleshooting diagnostics. In-house imaging test facilities ensure reliable diagnostics and rigorous testing.
Customer service and technical support are paramount to our client success. Every order includes pre- and post-sale assistance with a dedicated account manager. We offer after-hours assistance, next flight out shipments, parts identification, troubleshooting, and technical support. Available around the clock, your account managers provide personalized solutions for urgent imaging needs worldwide, backed by ISO 13485 certification. Contact us anytime, we're here to support you.